Today we are making something so quick, so simple, but yet so delicious. You really can use any of your favorite meals to combine to make an egg roll. I'm making cheeseburger egg rolls today, and I've made the traditional egg rolls as well as apple pie egg rolls as a dessert. You can find it below on my channel, and let's get started. RSVP with Lori, where everything expressed is my opinion, not the law. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Thanks. I started with 1 chopped onion, a bag of plant-based crumbles. You can find them at most grocery stores. Combine them both in a skillet. Then for my spices, I'm using garlic powder, paprika, oregano, basil, and tomato, Worcestershire sauce, and a little ground mustard. Just add that to your meat while it's cooking. I didn't have to use any oil or anything. I am using So Delicious dairy-free plant-based Mexican shreds. It does blend well, it melts well, excuse me, but you feel free to use any kind that you like. I'm also using the vegan egg roll wraps you can find at your local grocery store. You're going to let the meat cook, let it brown thoroughly. It's already done. It's plant-based, so no worries there. Let the onions and meat cook together. Now, most recipes, they just add the cheese on top of the meat, but because this is a plant-based cheese, I'm going to combine the meat and cheese so that I make sure that it melts. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and start wrapping. You have your egg roll wrap. You're going to place it diagonal in front of you. I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of meat. Fold the center in, and I'm going to show you this again. Sorry, my camera was off. But you're going to fold it both pieces inward and then start rolling. All right, let's try this again. I'm using about a 1/4 cup of meat. If you want to have them exact, feel free to measure. It's okay. I'm just eyeballing it, but you're gonna fold both pieces, both side pieces in so that the corners meet, and then start rolling up again. Now, I did not show this part, but once you're done wrapping, to seal it, I just used a little cornstarch and some water to seal the ends because again, I'm vegan and I don't use eggs. And here we go one more time. Again, I've already melted the cheese, so no worries there. Fold both corners in and then just start rolling. Roll it really tight. Don't be afraid to roll it tight. If for some reason the wrap breaks, you can wrap it again. It'll just be a little crunchy. All right, time to fry. I just used about 2 inches of oil. One thing I do want to mention, do not have your temperature very high because the inside will be gummy. So fry it at a lower temperature. I used like a medium heat setting and fried on both sides for about 2 minutes each. And here we go with the finished product. I believe it made about 12 egg rolls. And I also made a sauce if you're interested, but they are tasty just on their own. But here's the sauce. All right, for the sauce, I used a dollop of honey mustard, 1 tablespoon of vegan mayonnaise, a few squirts of the Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A, and some honey. Mix everything up, and here you go. Dipping sauce for your cheeseburger egg rolls. If you have any suggestions that you'd like me to try, let me know down below. Let me know if if you make them for your family and how you like them, or if you had a different combination, share with me. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Happy Sunday and have a great day.